Alright guys, this project is completed, and what you're looking at right now is what SatinGuard looks like over this Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. As you may recall, we transformed all of the gloss black paint on this car into the richest, deepest satin black, and as you can see, the results speak for itself. Now, from our process, you may have noticed that every single panel that we did on here is 100% custom installed so that it is as seamless as possible. All the corners and edges are all wrapped wherever possible so that we bring the film right up to the edge and basically hiding and masking all the gloss black paint that was there before. As an example of that, you can see on this front bumper, this is a one-piece custom installation without the normal joining seams that normally comes about here if it was a pre-contemplate. Around these areas, the leading edges, we wrap the film right up to the panel edge so that you don't have any exposed surface that can get damaged over time.